So we've run out of bread and I'm not going to the supermarket unless it's absolutely necessary. So I'm going to show you how I make a very simple flatbread. Okay, so I've got 250 grams of plain flour, half a teaspoon each of ground cumin, smoked paprika, mixed herbs and salt, 3 tablespoons of oil and 100 millilitres of water. Just tipping in the spices and salt, mixing that well. Make sure it's all spread out, and then I'll add the oil and the water and mix together. So you can see this just needs a wee bit more water, so I'm just adding a bit of water and I'll mix that together. It's warm water, by the way, and then I'll turn it out. So I'm just turning the flour onto a lightly floured surface. I'm going to knead it for about 5 minutes. And that's well kneaded now, so I'm just going to cut it into 6 equal portions. You could do 4 if you want them bigger, but I want these quite small. And now I'm just going to roll each one out into a thin round. And now, this is my 6th one. I'm just making sure there's enough flour to stop it sticking. So these can be frozen at this stage and cooked, just defrosted and fried, but I'm just going to dry fry this in a pan. And here they are, my lovely flatbreads ready to serve and delicious.